Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Hope you're having a great day. Today is August the 15th, 2022, and right now we're looking at our squash plant controls. Okay, we set these controls up to fight the root knot nematodes, and here is a progress report on where we are at with that. Right now, this control had been set up with lasagna layered soil, and then we inoculated the soil with beneficial bacteria and beneficial fungi. They seem to be having a tremendous positive impact on the plants, and I don't see any sign of the root knot nematode present at this time. So at this juncture, it's looking like success. Now this control here, lasagna layered soil, and we also used black walnut hull powder to fight the root knot nematode. Now, as you can see here, I pulled one of these up a while back, like maybe 4 days ago, one of these squash plants up because it was already dead, and there are no signs of the root knot nematode. However, there's no beneficial bacteria or beneficial fungi at this location, so I think that might have something to do with why these guys did not survive, or it could be the black walnut hull powder has an adverse effect on squash plants. I'm not sure at this time, but very suspicious. Let's check the third spot. Third location, we did the lasagna layered soil, and then we also did like an amendment to the sand part of the soil using earthworm castings. So at this time, I don't see that there are any nematodes present, any root knot nematodes, and we don't see any vine borers present or anything like that. We've been using, to fight the loopworms, we've been using BT thuricide on the leaves and stems, and then also I've been using, to keep away the actual vine borer. That's not a root boring nematode, it's a vine borer. What it'll do is it'll get up into the stems of your squash plants and bore right in and kill them that way. We've been using Spectricide Bug Stop because it has gamma-cyhalothrin in it, and it's the closest to organic you're ever going to find when it comes to these synthetic insecticides, and it has the least environmental impact because of the rapidity in which it degrades when you use it. So that's what I use. It seems to work pretty well, so I'm going to continue to use that going forward. Anyhow, this is just a progress report on the squash plants in regard to these specific root knot nematode controls. What we aim to do is have some type of a vegetable yield this year from these plants. So we won't know fully whether or not these are successful until after we get our yields. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these squash plant nematode controls. Have a great day.